November.
Roger, Roger. As you were speaking, you were fading out. So maybe you'll fade back in. We shall see. This is KC9VKV NIQ. What's your name there, please?
What's your name there, please? The name here is Jeff Juliet Echo Foxtrot.
Copy, Jeff. And Jeff, whereabouts are you located, sir?
Jeff, whereabouts are you located, sir? Outside of Charleston, South Carolina, in a little town called Goose Creek. Over.
Roger, Roger. Well, I was trying to copy the mail on Rochester, New York, SDR, but I moved over to Milford, and I have a much better copy on you. You look to be about 6 to 7 dB over their noise level. What radio are you running there, Jeff?
What radio are you running there, Jeff? I'm running an Icon 7300, 100 watts on an infrared wire. It's about 30 feet up in the tree. Over.
Roger that, roger that. Now we do have a setup for the 7300. I have probably tuned up about 175 7300s. It begins with you setting your compressor at about a 3. That is the magic number on the compressor, a 3. A 2 is not enough. 4 is starts to suck up pretty bad, so a 3 would be the ideal input level on your compressor, Roger.
Input level on your compressor, Roger. Roger, Roger. I just put it on the 3. How's this?
All right, sounds good. Now take a look at your ALC meter, and with mic gain in hand, and adjust your ALC meter to where it's running mid-scale to 2/3.
Where it's running mid-scale to 2/3. Okay, I am looking at it now, and I guess I need to go down some because it's almost all the way to the top. So I am cutting it back, and I'm down to 50% now. That seems to be about it.
Okay, so you're running about 66% to 70%. In other words, a little bit past mid-scale as the peak, Roger.
Past mid-scale as the peak, Roger. Yes, sir. Well, now it's peaking out again. I had set it 50%, but now I thought I had it, but it's topping out now.
Roger. Well, you know, the thing is, what you want to do when you set that level is just to be speaking like you normally would. You know, you don't want to say test, or whistle or any of that stuff. You just speak like you normally would and just adjust your mic gain until that ALC meter is running mid-scale to 2/3, Roger.
Is running mid-scale to 2/3, Roger. Roger, I copy on that. It's still, I've dropped it down to 40, still drops up pretty high.
Okay, so you're at 40 on the mic level now?
You're at 40 on the mic level now? Yes, sir. I just dropped it to 35.
All right, and what's the meter reading, your ALC meter reading at 35?
ALC meter reading at 35. Right now it's between, it looks like -10.
Well, we want to be, you know, mid-scale to 2/3 on that ALC, Roger.
Scale to 2/3 on that ALC, Roger. Okay, I think I misunderstood the scale here. I'm looking at the red line, but I'm assuming now that the red line is, I want to be towards the top of that, Roger.
Roger, well, you know, you can see where the ALC meter reading is. You know, it doesn't run all the way across the display. It runs, you know, you can see where it runs. That's the, and to the end of that would be 100%. So you want to be somewhere between mid-scale and 2/3 on that line.
And 2/3 on that line. Okay, I copy that. And I need to turn it down a little bit more.
Yeah, Jeff, I don't know if you faded out or not, good buddy. Try to, you know, come back and let me see if I can hear you.
Come back and let me see if I can hear you. Okay, I'm sorry, we doubled, and I've turned it down to 27%. How's this sound?
Well, tell me about your the best thing you like about your radio.
The best thing you like about your radio.
Oh, that's easy. I love the scope. I have an 857. That was my first radio I bought when I got my license back a couple years ago. Saved up money and I got the 7300, and I really love this scope. It helps me find, see what's all on the band.
Roger that. You might want to play a little game. We have a little game that, do you have a, you're just running 100 watts, Roger?
You're just running 100 watts, Roger?
Yes, sir, just 100 watts.
Okay, and looking at your output power meter, pretend like that's a VU meter. And what you want to do is, by the use of your voice, you want to keep that power meter hung out there in the sweet spot. Now, you know where that is. It's at the end of the power meter range, and that's where you want to keep that meter when you talk. And you can do that by utilizing two things: the rate of your speech and trying to say each word fairly uniform. So it, you know, you're actually riding gain on yourself, so to speak, Roger.
On yourself, so to speak, Roger.
Okay, where did you say I need to keep the power meter?
All right, what you want to do is try to keep that power meter at 100 watts by utilizing your voice to do that, Roger. So you're looking at that power meter, that output power meter, all the time you're talking, and you're trying to keep that meter up at 100 watts.
At 100 watts.
Okay, I copy. Trying to keep it at 100 watts. Kind of hard, but I'm trying.
Roger. And Jeff, we just Mother Nature just did a little number on the signal there. You did drop down, but maybe it's just a temporary thing. Come back and let me see if I still got a copy on you.
Come back and let me see if I still got a copy on you.
I'm still here.
Okay, Jeff. Well, anyway, that's something for you to play with. It takes a while to be able to, you know, respond to that, what you need to do to keep that meter at the 100-watt reading. But with practice, you will find the right combination of the tempo of speech and the word formulation amplitude-wise that you know, will let you keep that meter reading 100 watts. Takes years to perfect that, but you know, it's something that you could you know, play with, Roger.
You could you know, play with, Roger.
Okay, I copy you on that. Yeah, I'll have to practice that.
Well, Jeff, kind of fading out there, buddy. I don't know if Mother Nature is going to be cooperative or not. Come back in one more time. Let me see where we are.
Come back in one more time. Let me see where we are.
All right, can you copy me now?
I copied you that time. I'm using a Milford PA, and you were about 5 dB over the noise level, so I had a nice copy on you right there. I would like to get a good recording so you can, you know, be able to tell what's going on, and so that, you know, hopefully we're in good conditions at the moment, Roger.
Good conditions at the moment, Roger.
Okay, I copy that. So I appreciate all the help you've given me, and so thanks for that, over.
Roger, sir. Well, threes to you, and we appreciate you checking in, and if you get a chance, join us next Friday afternoon between 3:30 and 5, and let us know what you've been up to, Roger.
Let us know what you've been up to, Roger.
Roger, I appreciate the help, and 73, my friend.
Roger, Jeff. Three's that way, sir. Have a great afternoon, a beautiful weekend. This is KC9VKV, the Friday afternoon Qso-Vlog net. We're recording now live till 5. and we will be posting this recording up on YouTube. So if you go to YouTube and do a call letter search for Kilo Charlie 9 Victor Kilo Victor, that will take you to our Qso-Vlog page. Right now we're running about 1,100 some odd recorded Qso-Vlogs, but you'll be looking for today's recording, which is entitled My Group Air Check 5-15-20.
5-15-20.
That's My Group Air Check 5-15-20. This is KC9VKV, the Friday afternoon Qso-Vlog net. If you've got a radio you want to check out, give me a shout.